So this euro yen analysis for Friday the 8th of June. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where they might likely go. So here on the euro yen, what we have seen is we've seen this pretty strong consistent price progression here to the upside. We've had prices come all the way up in towards the 129.95, slightly above this 130 level, from which we have seen the sell side momentum return to the market, taking us beyond the 129.95 all the way back down towards this 129.45. As we can see, we've had a slowdown in the sell side momentum. We did appear to hold the 129.45 for a couple of hours. We weren't able to use it as a springboard for a retest of the 129.95. What we did see, however, was a breakdown from this 129.45, breaking below this 129. Quite a bit of volatility here. Breaking below the 129, retesting this 128.59. So we are seeing a bit of buy side momentum coming off the 128.59 at present. So if we do hold this 128.59, we're looking for a move back up towards that 129. Successful break and hold, from which we're then looking for price head towards that 129.45. And if we do see sufficient volatility to the upside, we're looking for a retest of that 129.95 in around that 130 area to see if we do hold resistance there as well. If, however, we do fail to hold support at this 128.59, or if we do find a rejection at the 129 level, we'll be then looking for prices to progress down here further to the downside. And the very next level that we'll be looking at, we'll be moving down towards that 128, where we do have not only the round number of the 128, but also we do have the added confluence of a 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing bullish buy side momentum off that level, due to the fact that we do have a dynamic level of potential support as well as a horizontal level, which could see prices head further to the upside. Failing to hold that, however, could see us head down towards this 127.56. Very next major level marked out here in red. I wouldn't anticipate prices moving beyond the 127.56, but the level beneath the 127.56 that we are looking at is a move down towards that 126.84 here on the euro yen. And before we wrap it all up, let's just have a brief look at the daily chart. So here on the euro yen, we head over to the daily chart. Just bear with me a second here while it loads up. There we go. So on this daily, we can see here we've had a sharp sell-off, equally sharp bullish reversal to the upside. We've come in towards this 130, may just be a psychological level, so in around this 129.95. Oh, actually, we did trade above the 130. Actually, just bear with me a second. Let me just check that up a second here. So we did trade as high as the 130.27. We didn't quite get towards that 130.60. Traded as 130.27, from which we did post a bit of a pin bar. We've seen the momentum follow through. We've seen the momentum follow through so far. Fairly strong candle. So we do seem poised for further retracement here to the downside. So we'll see where we do find the support. We do have the 400 period moving average beneath us on this euro yen. So we'll see whether we do have the sell side momentum follow through. But in all likelihood, possibly putting in a higher low and seeing prices head further to the upside. So we'll see if we do retrace all the way down towards this. Let's just see where we are. In towards the 126.84 before finding support and seeing prices head further to the upside here on the euro yen. And with that said, that wraps up the euro yen analysis. Thanks for watching.